Okay, who is Imam al-Akhdari? Who is Shaykh al-Akhdari? He is Abu Zayd Abdul Rahman ibn Muhammad al-Saghir ibn Muhammad Amir al-Akhdari al-Sulami al-Mirdasi. So originally from a tribe, an Arabic tribe called Banu Sulaym. He was born in the beginning of the Ottoman era in Algeria, 920, in a city called, or a village called Bintayus in Biskra. And he studied from his father, whose name was Muhammad al-Saghir, and Abdul Rahman bin Qarroon, and he was trained by Sheikh Muhammad Ali al-Kharroubi. Sheikh Muhammad Makhlouf, who wrote a big book about Maliki school, when he mentioned the Sheikh, he said that he is the jurisponder, a great scholar, a Sheikh, a righteous Sheikh. He's very knowledgeable, he knows, he's neat in understanding. He participates in all kinds of knowledges. He has famous interest in books, and he has miracles that were known because he was a righteous guy. And he said that he's from a house that is known of knowledge and being righteous. So all the scholars, when they mention him, they say that he was a righteous guy and a knowledgeable guy. SubhanAllah, the main thing that he passed, and he was still young, very young. And he wrote most of his books when he was still young. Imagine that his book in logic, he wrote it when he was 20 years old. Imagine. And now everybody starts with that book. It's called Sullamun Munawraq in logic. He has a poem about falak, astronomy. And he has another one called Ad-Durratul Bayda in the law of inheritance. And he has Sullam al-Munawraq he has Sullam al-Munawraq in logic, and he has Al-Jawhar al-Maknoon in Balagha, which is the beauty of Arabic. Balagha is the beauty of Arabic, is literature. And he has other books, and a book and he died in a city called Kajal, close to Stif in Algeria right now, the year 983. Some say 900, not 83, they say 953. 53, not 83, 53. So that means he was still young. And everybody praises him and says that he was a scholar, he was righteous, he was against a lot of innovations. He was against a lot of innovations in Sharia. And he has a long poem that he condemns all kinds of innovations in his era. Let us stop here, inshallah. And